In this video, we are going to turn on the virtualization technology settings in our BIOS setup. So follow this guide. Power on your computer and repeatedly press the BIOS key. Every computer make has a BIOS key. Research what the BIOS key for your computer is and then press the key repeatedly as you are powering it on. For me, it is F12 for Dell. So now it's entering the BIOS setup. Locate the BIOS setup. Hit enter. Locate the virtualization support and expand it. Locate virtualization, and in the settings area, if this box is already checked, then virtualization technology is already enabled. But if it is not checked, you have to check it and then save the settings. As you can see, to me it has been saved, so I do not have to save it anymore. But if yours is not enabled already, that is, this box is not checked, then you have to check it, as you can see, and then come to save it. And from here, we will be able to set up our virtual machines, install virtual machines without any errors. So follow this guide and I'll see you in the next video.